Before we start this review, I'll go ahead and say that clear cases usually aren't my jam. There's nothing inherently wrong with them, it's just never been a case style that I've been particularly drawn to. There are a lot of people that disagree with me, however, and for them, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid is one of the best Galaxy S22 cases out there. It has a wonderful fit and finish, doesn't obstruct any of the S22's design, and comes in at a price I think most people will be happy with. Spigen makes some of the best cases on the market, so it shouldn't come as any surprise that the company's years of experience shine through with the Ultra Hybrid. The case is incredibly well built, featuring a rigid frame to keep the S22 safe, button covers that feel great to press, and precise cutouts with some extra wiggle room for the USB-C port, and 3.5mm headphone jack to ensure all of your accessories work properly. The hybrid name is here because the Ultra Hybrid is made out of two materials, a TPU bumper and a hard PC back. This results in the case offering great protection from drops and falls and incredible grip to give you a more secure hold on the phone. Around front, the edges are raised ever so slightly over the screen to keep it safe from scratches cracks. If you like clear cases and know you want one for the Galaxy S22, this is one of the best options you'll find. Spigen's proven time and time again that it's one of the best brands in the case business, and the Ultra Hybrid for the S22 is further proof of just that. It's built well, offers more than enough protection, and does all of this while still allowing you to show off your S22's design to the world. So long as you're okay wiping off the back from time to time, I think you'll be really happy with it.